Hey guys, happy Sunday. Thanks for joining me for my video for today for Vlogmas. As you know, I am posting a video every single day for the month of December. So fun getting in the holiday spirit and making all of these videos for you guys. I hope that you enjoy them and I hope that you are getting in the Christmas spirit as well. So today is December 4th and it is National Cookie Day. There is a National Food Day for just about everything. Last week I did National French Toast Day. So if you missed that video, check that out. I did some keto French toast cups and they're so good. Cannot go wrong with French toast. But that was a national holiday, so it's crazy how there's all these fun food holidays. And I don't know who makes them up, but I'm okay with it. I just love celebrating whatever food holiday it is. So today, being National Cookie Day, I'm gonna make a batch of no-bake keto cookies and they're so good. So I wanted to share these with you guys. So easy, like you know, all of my recipes are super simple. A lot of keto recipes, healthy, quick recipes. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe, click the bell button next to subscribe. Lots of healthy recipes on my channel, so check those out. So for these cookies, like I said, they're no bake, so they cannot get any easier than that. It's gonna be peanut butter, coconut flour. I have some sugar-free syrup. You can use any kind of sticky sweetener you want, like a maple syrup with monk fruit, but I have just sugar-free syrup today. And then I have no sugar added dark chocolate chips. These are optional, but I love them, and so I wanted to add them into these cookies. So I'll put the recipe for this in the description box if you want to make these. They are such a fun way to celebrate National Cookie Day. Really great, healthy, keto-friendly snack. If you have a sweet tooth, these are perfect. Just grab one and that sweet tooth will be all gone after you have one of these. So I will get all these made up and we'll get them going.
All right, I have my 2 cups of peanut butter, and then I have half of a cup of sugar-free syrup, and I'm going to put this all in my bowl together. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat up in the microwave for about 30 to 60 seconds. So now it's all nice and super soft and really easy to mix around. So if you don't heat it, you can still mix it. It's just really tough and a little bit harder to mix. So by heating it up, I can mix it all really thoroughly and combine the peanut butter with the syrup, and so it gets nice and sticky. So even though peanut butter is pretty sticky itself, but heating it up with the syrup really helps. So now I'm going to add in 3/4 cup of coconut flour, and I'm just going to stir it, and it's nice and thick, and so I'm just going to stir and stir until all of the coconut flour is mixed in. And then once it's almost all the way mixed, I'm going to add in the chocolate chips, and the chocolate chips are optional, so you don't have to add them. And you can add them either, you can chill this dough for a little bit, or you can add it now. The dough's still a little bit warm, so these will melt and kind of make it a chocolate swirl a little bit. But they're really good. And I'm just going to take a spoonful and just roll it into a ball. I'm going to make the whole batch. I have parchment paper on my platter so that these don't stick. So once I get them all rolled up, I will chill these in the refrigerator for about an hour so they get nice and set up. And then also, once I have them all rolled out, I will press them down with a fork, because you know, like peanut butter cookies, you really need to press them down with a fork to give them that super that look of a peanut butter cookie. So these are so good and so easy, really great little treat if you are on keto or low carb. Just very simple ingredients, just peanut butter, syrup, coconut flour, and chocolate chips if you'd like, but these are so good. So now, like I said, I'm going to chill these in the refrigerator for about an hour, and then they'll be all ready to set, and I will store these in the refrigerator in an airtight container after they are all done and they're ready to go for the week.
These no-bake peanut butter cookies, keto recipe, are so good. I had them chilling in the refrigerator for about an hour. Now they're all nice and set up. Perfect little treat to have on National Cookie Day. So easy if you guys have, 3 simple ingredients, 4 if you want to add chocolate chips. These are just so easy to make and really wonderful to have on hand if you have a little sweet craving. So check the description box for the recipe for these if you want to make them. I hope that you have a cookie today for National Cookie Day, whether you have to go to the store and buy it or whip up a batch. You should definitely have a cookie for National Cookie Day. Highly recommend it to celebrate. So I hope that you have a great holiday season. Like I said, I'm going to be doing videos every day to celebrate the holidays, and no better way to celebrate National Cookie Day than a cookie video. But check back every day. I'm going to be doing lots of holiday fun. I have some crafts with my kids and some recipes. I'll still be doing my meal prepping. So just lots of fun videos. So click subscribe if you're new. Click the bell button next to subscribe and you'll get a notification each time my new video posts. They'll be every morning, 7 a.m. of my time. And just look out for those every day. And I will see you all next time. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.